Hi everyone, I'm Shakeerah from Careers Portal, and if you want to know which qualifications are the same as Matric, keep watching. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you need about studying and your future career. Matric is seen as one of the most important educational qualifications in the country, not only because it guarantees you access to university, but also grants you access to employment opportunities in the public and private sector. However, there are many people who could not get Matric and are now wondering which qualifications are equivalent to it. Here are some equivalent qualifications to Matric. A Matric certificate is an NQF level 4 qualification. Any other qualification on the NQF 4 level is equivalent to a Matric certificate. Although you need a Matric certificate to apply at university, it is also required that you have passed with a bachelor's pass. Another equivalent alternative is adult Matric certificates or amended national certificates such as the senior certificate. In order to qualify, one needs to be over the age of 21 and have a grade 9 certificate. TVET colleges also offer an opportunity to complete Matric for people who have completed grade 9, and there's usually no age restriction. You can receive a National Vocational Certificate, NCV, on level 2, 3 and 4, which are equivalent to grades 10, 11 and 12. So if you want to complete Matric, you will just have to obtain an NCV level 4 at a TVET college, which is on the same academic level as a Matric certificate. Many students in South Africa don't get to complete their Matric year or even reach their Matric year due to many reasons, such as leaving school to start providing for their families who are struggling financially. Others also find themselves in a position where they didn't pass the Matric year. Comment down below what your career plans are, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.